Hello guys, I am Ivatan Paul and this is Apps and Peripherals. In this video today, I'll guide you through some features in Microsoft that you are not actually aware of. And without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So let's now begin. Now I have everything inside of this folder. So we'll start with the picture, then we'll go to the shape, and then the table of contents. So to crop the picture here, I already have my picture inside this document. Here we have the picture with the white background while the page is colored blue. So let's now remove this white background around the picture. So immediately just click the picture, go to formats, picture format. Now in the picture format, go to remove background. Once you click the remove background, you see these highlighted colors on it. Now go to mark areas to keep. Now just go click the mark areas to keep. Then use your pen around the areas that you want to keep. So let's just highlight this very fast. Make sure you try to be very perfect when you're doing it. Okay, here is this. Oh, here it is. Now hit the keep changes. Alright, so here we have our background removed already in our picture, or from our picture rather. You can now see how the picture looks like. So you can still do some other adjustments if I some tweaks like the picture style. So let's just go change the picture style to something like this. Okay, I think this is better. Change the picture style, and I think this is okay, especially for someone that's using it for either their resume or some other form of documents that require pictures. So again, I would like to change the shape of this picture. Let's assume you have something you want to make use of. You want it to look like a kind of shape. So let's go here on the format, on the crop rather. Click your crop, come here, crop to a shape. So let's assume you're using this one. So you can see how the picture looks like now. So Microsoft allows you to carry out some formatting on your picture, like cropping and so on. So moving to the next, we go to our folder. Now shapes. So here I have this shape. Now once you insert your shape, Microsoft comes with a blank or a default color that's blue. That's a higher version of Microsoft or recent version of Microsoft comes with a blue color. And here we have the rotation sign at the rotation arrow. You can either rotate your shape and all that. Here we have some adjustments. You want to carry out an adjustment on your shape, you can see here. So if you see a shape like this and you cannot find it inside of these um, shapes here, don't worry, just to insert something like this. Or what is it? Okay, just insert something like this, draw it, and then use the yellow part to increase, more like a wooden kind of increase and decrease. The same thing for other shapes, but mind you, some shapes do not have this yellow function. That's the adjustable functions on them. So that is it for the shape. So you can now drag to any location of the page you may want it to fit. Then for the table of contents, let's go back to our folder. Here we have already, that's a template. So this is a free test for either your trials and so on. So for the sake of confidentiality, okay, so for the sake of this video, I prefer to use a text like this. So you can use it for your documents. So here, to insert your table of contents, what you do is you have to make this a heading, like what we have here on the style. So we make use of the heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. So heading 1 is basically the first, while this comes under, and then this goes under. So this is a sub, and then this is under the sub. So 1, 2, 3, don't more like the HTML and so on. The HTML, when you talk of HTML, you consider the heading as H1, H2, H3, H4, and so on. So the same way for your Microsoft document. So let's go ahead. I'll just go ahead and add this one for almost everything. This one, okay, this one rather. So let's use H2 for this, and then this as well, H2, then this, let's use H1, then this down part is H2, and then the last one H3. You see have H4 as well. So this is it. So once you've done this, go ahead. So I want my table of content to be placed on the first page. So I'll just come here, click, enter this down, click again, and then go to your references tab, click it. You see the first option by the left, the table of content, click. You see some samples. So let's go with this first sample, click. Here we have it. So automatically your table of content is being placed here. So let's now select this and increase the font size so we get more pages and see what happens. Home, and the home, let's insert or increase. So once you increase your line spacing, so we now have on the status bar we have 1 of 6, so we have 6 pages. So I want this to go to another page, so you can hold down Control key and enter, or just enter until it appears on a new page. So I hold down Control Ctrl key to enter into another page. All right, so that's it. We have 6 pages, but here it's still giving us 1 to 3. So this, I'll just go ahead and update the table of content, update page number only. So click, we now have the numbers of which these headers have been located. So if you still want to make these headers black and white, it's still okay. Like for some documents require you to print in black, so just go ahead, select everything, and then you can change your color here. So everything is now black and white. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Alright there, if you have watched up to this point, I'd like to give you a thumbs up, and I hope you found value in this video. And if you do, please do well to like, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel so you get notified when we drop new videos. I'll see you in the next video.